lines on our flag. Our national flag is a symbol of pride, unity, and freedom. It is called the tricolor or Tiranga in India. The flag has 3 horizontal stripes of saffron, white, and green. The saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice. The white color represents peace and truth. The green color symbolizes growth and prosperity. In the center, there is a navy blue Ashoka Chakra with 24 spokes. Any insult to the national flag is a punishable offense. We host the flag on national days like Independence Day and Republic Day. We must always respect our flag and keep its honor high.